everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia Mesadieu, your guide to help you design the best version of you by looking and feeling your best. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a review. It's going to be a quick review and swatch of the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder. This is in the color Golden Flower Crown. It's always caught my eye and I just said, okay, I need to try it. So I decided to go ahead and purchase it and show you all what exactly this swatches like and what it looks like on real chocolate skin. When you open it, it has this really pretty gold embroidered or imprint design. It looks kind of like a leaf or a flower of some sort. So I'm just gonna swatch it here. I think it's a nice soft gold color. It's a very soft gold. I'm gonna just place that along the highest point of my cheekbones. Okay, it's really finely milled. Really finely milled, and I can see there's like little gold specks in there, like really fine little gold specks that really just give me the light and let me shine and glow. Do you see that? Come into the light. Please don't be afraid to come into the light. That is what Wet n Wild Megaglo will do. That is a very gorgeous gold, beautiful color. And I had to turn off the light. I only have on my ring light so you can get the effect of like what that is going to look like. The beauty that this cheek is going to shine on the world once I hit the sun. Please don't stop. Catch the other side as well. I'm really pleased with this. For the price, I think it's really good drugstore quality. You can see that glow. See the glow, and it's enough glow without doing too much. It's not chalky, it's finely milled, it's a smooth, silky highlighter. It's like very pretty and soft and illuminating, and you know, it's not too much sparkle, but it has like those really fine gold flecks in there that actually makes it look, you know, more expensive than what it is. I absolutely love it. I think that it is affordable. I also really like the packaging. I think that for the price, it is really good quality. So in my opinion, I think that this is worth the $4.99. And I just think that if you are looking for a highlighter but you don't want to spend a lot of money on it, I think that this is really, really nice. So I would give this honestly a 10. For a drugstore product, I give it a 10. Did this video make you feel like this product is worth it? Would you take the extra 20 minutes out of your time to go to your local drugstore and pick up the Megaglo highlighting powder from the Wet n Wild? Let me know in the comment section. If you already have the product, then let me know. I want to know what your thoughts are. Also, let me know what drugstore product you want me to review next. Since I am going to be reviewing drugstore products, I think I'm just going to do a series on drugstore products, like the best drugstore products out there. And that concludes this review. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know every time I have posted a new video. Favorite, peace, and blessings, ladies, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.